today's video, I'm going to be role-playing as a construction site worker. I have no vehicle because I haven't got enough money for it. That's why we're going to be saving up. Need to try to save up my Brookhaven account's empty. So yeah, that's when we're going to do this job. Yeah, all these pipes out everywhere. If we get enough money, we might go to the car dealership down there. So, starting off with, might go look if there's any job at the town hall. One second. To the town hall we go. Oh, I need to go. But I have no money. Money's a baddie. We're nearly at the town hall. I'm good, by the way. Made it. I hear something putting in here. Let's have a look. Kicks wall. I guess we kick down the wall. See what's over here. Something printing us. There's so much printing, so down the wall. Time to climb up and see what this is. Guys, I've already seen this muddy thing before, actually, in real life. I mean, not real life. In Roblox, BROOKHAVEN, I'm just replaying the roleplay. Thank you for watching. Yo, look at this. Let's put it on a new picker. I just picked some money, baby. Every time you should, you actually like it. I'll be right back when I've earned a lot of money. Now I'm back with the money I've collected. Insane, right? The money I found. It's unlimited money that's being made. So let's just keep on getting richer and richer. And it's so good. Now I'm BROOKHAVEN now. Yes. I'm so wealthy, boys. Now let's bring over our silver money over with us to our house. Get it up. Little home. Oh yes, look at the walls still put down from last time. So it's easy to get in. Oh. So time to go back to my work. I never knew you were going to limit the place. I just thought to go to the town hall and heard printing. I was trying to find a job. We're still working over here, so let's become a construction worker. This camera on for it to work, I think. Oh no! I need to grab my props for this side. special. This electric problem with the city is very crazy. Just gonna handle it real quick. Just gonna fix it. There we go, it's gone now. Just gonna dug it all up and fix it all. It's much better now. And yo, wait, there's a sewage leak. There's a sewage leak. We need to quickly patch it up. Quick. Ooh. Oh. Sewage leak. Kill me. Okay. Don't bother exaggerating. It's coming. Let's just get back to logging. That's pretty close to all that sewage leak though. Okay, let's just forget about it and get back to logging, so it's not that hard. It's just hammer it up. Oh, it's very dirty. Spraying in my face. Okay. Yes, we fixed it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hope you enjoyed the video, and see you later.